Anduril Industries, an American defense firm renowned for its AI-driven autonomous systems, has unveiled plans to manufacture drones in Poland. This move is designed to bolster Poland's growing drone force and deepen its strategic role within NATO, according to statements made by CEO Brian Schimpf during a media event in Warsaw, as reported by Defense News. Poland's push to modernize its military, particularly after Russia's 2022 assault on Ukraine, has created a high-demand environment for cutting-edge unmanned technologies. Recognizing this, Anduril aims to embed itself within the country's evolving defense framework by offering locally produced, next-gen drones tailored for speed, adaptability, and autonomous operation. This potential expansion aligns with Warsaw's broader ambition to emerge not just as a drone operating power, but as a technological and manufacturing center for NATO's future warfare platforms. Poland's aggressive investment in drone systems, coupled with its recent launch of a national drone force, has positioned it as a prime partner for companies offering AI-centric military tools. Anduril's portfolio, anchored by its Lattice operating system, includes standout systems like the Altius loitering munition, Barracuda drone, and Copperhead undersea vehicle. Unlike traditional UAVs that rely heavily on human input, these systems leverage Lattice to enable autonomous target recognition, coordination across multiple platforms, and real-time tactical decisions. This software-defined approach offers a flexible and integrated alternative to many of today's fragmented and manually piloted drone solutions. Poland's growing appetite for unmanned systems has already led to major procurement deals. In December 2024, it signed a $310 million contract with General Atomics for MQ-9B Sky Guardians, expected by 2027. More recently, in May 2025, the government finalized a framework agreement with domestic defense firm WB Group to deliver 10,000 Warmate loitering munitions by 2035. These steps underscore Poland's urgency in developing a rapid response drone capability. Anduril's interest in establishing production lines on Polish soil is seen as both a strategic and economic maneuver. Manufacturing within the country could enable faster delivery timelines, lower logistical burdens, and ensure that NATO allies have quicker access to interoperable systems built with shared digital infrastructure from the outset. Additionally, such a partnership may include industrial offsets, workforce development, and infrastructure investments that further root Anduril's presence in the region. In contrast to UAV systems from Israel or Turkey, Anduril's solutions stand apart due to their emphasis on software-first design and AI-powered autonomy. This enables seamless coordination between air, sea, and ground systems, an increasingly vital capability as NATO transitions toward a multi-domain operational doctrine. Though no official production contract has been finalized, Poland's $30 billion-plus annual defense budget, paired with favorable political conditions for foreign partnerships, makes the prospect highly plausible. The government has demonstrated an ongoing readiness to accelerate acquisitions that reinforce sovereignty while enhancing NATO's collective strength. In essence, Anduril's proposed footprint in Poland is more than a business expansion, it's a strategic alignment. By embedding American AI and autonomy into European defense, the collaboration could redefine battlefield coordination, improve alliance-wide agility, and raise the bar for what future unmanned warfare will look like across the continent.